Our planet is in trouble. We are facing a global crisis. This crisis is plastic pollution. Plastic is everywhere, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains. It chokes our rivers, fills our landfills, and poisons our wildlife. We live in a throwaway culture. We use plastic once and then throw it away, but plastic doesn't disappear. It takes hundreds of years to break down. All the while it pollutes our environment and harms our health. This is not just an environmental issue. Plastic pollution affects us all. It's in the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat. We must act now before it's too late. We need to reduce our plastic use and find sustainable solutions. The future of our planet depends on it. The plastic problem exploded in the 20th century, marking a significant shift in how we manufactured and consumed goods. We became dependent on this cheap and versatile material, integrating it into nearly every aspect of our daily lives. Plastic seemed like a miracle invention, promising convenience and efficiency. It was durable, lightweight, and easy to produce, making it an ideal material for mass production. We started using plastic for everything, from household items to industrial applications. Packaging, bottles, bags, toys, and even clothes became dominated by plastic. This mass production of plastic quickly turned into overproduction, leading to an overwhelming surplus. We are now producing over 380 million tons of plastic every year, a staggering amount that continues to grow. A significant portion of this plastic ends up polluting our environment, affecting ecosystems and wildlife. Only a small percentage is recycled, with the rest contributing to the growing waste problem. The rest ends up in landfills, incinerators, or leaks into the environment, causing long-term damage. This careless disposal of plastic is the root cause of the plastic pollution crisis, impacting both nature and human health. We need to rethink our relationship with plastic, considering more sustainable practices. We need to move away from single-use plastics and embrace reusable alternatives, reducing our environmental footprint. We need to find innovative solutions for managing plastic waste, ensuring a cleaner future. The time for action is now, and together, we can make a difference. Plastic pollution knows no boundaries. It is a pervasive issue that transcends geographical and ecological barriers. It affects every corner of our planet, from the highest mountains to the deepest oceans. On land, plastic waste clogs drains and rivers, disrupting natural water flow and causing severe environmental damage. This leads to flooding and creates breeding grounds for disease-carrying mosquitoes, posing a significant health risk to communities. Plastic bags and packaging litter our streets, parks, and beaches, tarnishing the beauty of our natural and urban landscapes. In the oceans, plastic waste forms giant garbage patches, some as large as entire countries. These patches are a danger to marine life, disrupting ecosystems and harming countless species. Animals get entangled in plastic debris or mistake it for food, leading to injury or death. Ingesting plastic can block their digestive systems, leading to starvation and a slow, painful death. Plastic pollution also affects our air, contributing to the degradation of air quality. Burning plastic releases harmful toxins into the atmosphere, which can travel long distances. These toxins can cause respiratory problems and other health issues, affecting millions of people worldwide. The production of plastic itself also contributes to air pollution and climate change, adding to the environmental crisis. The impact of plastic pollution on our health is a growing concern, with potential long-term consequences. Microplastics, tiny particles of plastic, have been found in our food, water, and even the air we breathe, infiltrating every aspect of our lives. The long-term health effects of these microplastics are still unknown, but they are a cause for serious concern, warranting immediate attention and action. Section 4. Turning the tide: solutions for a plastic-free future. The good news is that we can turn the tide on plastic pollution. By taking collective action, we can make a significant impact on our environment. There are many solutions available, ranging from individual actions to large-scale initiatives. We need to act now and implement these solutions on a global scale. Every country, community, and individual has a role to play. First and foremost, we need to reduce our reliance on single-use plastics. This is a crucial step in minimizing plastic waste. This means saying no to plastic bags, which are often used once and then discarded, straws, which contribute to marine pollution, and cutlery, which can be easily replaced with sustainable options. We can choose reusable alternatives like cloth bags, metal straws, and bamboo cutlery. These small changes can make a big difference. Secondly, we need to improve our recycling systems to ensure that more plastic is properly processed. Not all plastic is created equal. Some types are easier to recycle than others. We need to make sure that recyclable plastic is actually being recycled, rather than ending up in landfills or oceans. This requires investment in infrastructure and technology to handle the complexity of plastic waste. Finally, we need to educate and empower individuals to make sustainable choices. Education is key to long-term change. We need to raise awareness about the impact of plastic pollution and the importance of reducing plastic use, and promote responsible consumption habits. Together, we can create a plastic-free future for the next generations. Section 5. Rethinking our relationship with plastic. Our relationship with plastic is unsustainable. We need to rethink how we produce, use, and dispose of plastic. We need to move away from a linear economy of take, make, dispose, and embrace a circular economy. In a circular economy, plastic is kept in use for as long as possible. We need to design products with durability and recyclability in mind. We need to develop new technologies to recycle and reuse plastic. This shift requires a collaborative effort from governments, businesses, and individuals. Governments need to implement policies that encourage sustainable practices. Businesses need to invest in innovative solutions and adopt circular business models, and individuals need to make conscious choices and adopt sustainable lifestyles. Section 6. Empowering change. One person, one community at a time. Tackling a global issue like plastic pollution can feel overwhelming. But it's important to remember that every small action counts. We can all be part of the solution. Start by reducing your own plastic footprint. Refuse single-use plastics whenever possible. Choose reusable alternatives. Support businesses that are committed to sustainability. Educate yourself and others about the issue. Talk to your friends, family, and community about the importance of reducing plastic pollution. Get involved in local cleanup efforts. Support organizations working to combat plastic pollution. Remember, change starts with each one of us. Every piece of plastic we refuse, every reusable alternative we choose makes a difference. Section 7. A world without plastic pollution, a dream worth fighting for. A world without plastic pollution is a dream worth fighting for. It's a future where our oceans are clean, our wildlife is thriving, and our planet is healthy. It's a future where we live in harmony with nature, where we consume responsibly, and where we prioritize the well-being of our planet for generations to come. The journey towards a plastic-free future won't be easy. It requires a collective effort, unwavering commitment, and a belief in our ability to create a better future. Let's be the generation that turns the tide on plastic pollution and leaves behind a legacy of a clean and healthy planet.